Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss 40 plus MCQs on physics. These questions will be related to measurements, units and measuring instruments. So watch the complete session guys, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start with the first question. The question is light year is A option is the years in which the sunlight has maximum. B option is the years in which the workload has been the lightest. C option is the distance covered by light in 1 years. And D option is the average distance traveled between the sun and the earth. So the right answer is option C, that is the light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Okay. For next question is ampere is the unit for measuring. A option is voltage, B is electric current, C is resistance, D option is power. So ampere is the unit for measuring the electric current. That is option B is the right answer. Next question is how many watts make 1 horsepower? A option is 1000, B is 750, C option is 746 and D option is 748. So right answer is option C, that is 746 watt. That is 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. Next question is the unit of power is A option is hertz, B is volt, C option is watt and D option is Newton. So right answer is option C, that is watt. Next question is megawatt is a unit for measuring electricity, that is A option is produced, B is consumed, C option is saved and D option is lost in transmission. The right answer is option A, that is produced. Next question is Pascal is the unit of A option is humidity, B is pressure, C option is rainfall and D option is temperature. So right answer is option B, that is pressure. So Pascal is the unit of pressure. Next question is the unit of force is A option is Faraday, B is Fermi, C option is Newton and D option is Rutherford. So right answer is option C, that is Newton. Next question is which of the following is not the unit of heat? A option is calorie, B is kilocalorie, C option is kilojoule and D option is watt. So right answer is option D, that is watt, because watt is the unit of power. Okay. बाकी जो remaining thing हैं, so these are the unit of heat. Okay. Next question is 1 micron represents the length of A option is 1 by 10 millimeter, B is 1 by 100 millimeter, C option is 1 by 1000 millimeter and D option is 1 by 10,000 millimeter. So right answer is option C, that is 1 by 10,000 millimeter. Next question is unit of work is A option is joule, B is Newton, C is watt and D option is time. So right answer is option A, that is joule. Unit of work is joule. Next question is how much appropriately a barrel of oil? A option is 131 liter, B is 159 liter, C is 179 and D option is 201 liter. So right answer is option B, that is 159 liter. Okay. Next question is which of the following SI units are not correctly matched? One side there is the quantity and another side there is the unit. So you have to find out which is not correctly matched. A option is work is related to joule, B is force unit is Dyn, C option is mass is unit is kilogram and D option is pressure unit is Dyn. So right answer is option D, that is pressure unit is not Dyn. Okay. Next question is 1 kilogram per centimeter square pressure is equivalent to A option है 0.1 bar, B is 1.0 bar, C option is 10.0 bar and D option is 100.0 bar. The right answer is option B, that is 1 bar. Next question is which of the following is not correctly matched? A option is decibel is the unit of intensity of sound, B option है horsepower is the unit of power and C option is nautical mile is the unit of distance in navigation and D option is Celsius is the unit of heat. The right answer is option D, that is Celsius is the unit of heat. This is incorrect because Celsius is the unit of temperature. Okay. Next question is parsec. The unit of measurement of long distance is equal to. One point is clear that what is the unit of long distance? So that is parsec. So पूछा जा रहा है that parsec is equal to how many light years? Okay. So let me see the option. First option is 4.25 light years. B option is 3.26 light years. C option is 4.50 light years. And D option is 3.05 light years. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. That is option B is the right answer. Okay. Next question is the smallest unit of length is A option is micron, B is nanometer, C option is angstrom and D option is fermenter. So right answer is option D, that is fermenter. Next question is Dobson unit is used in A option is measuring the thickness of earth, B is measuring the thickness of diamond, C is measuring the thickness of the ozone layer, and D option is measuring noise. So Dobson unit is used measuring the thickness of the earth, that is option A is the right answer. Next question is 1 picogram is equal to A option है 10 raised to power minus 6 gram, B option is 10 raised to power minus 9 gram, C option is 10 raised to power minus 12 gram, and D option is 10 raised to power minus 15 gram. So right answer is option C, that is 10 raised to power minus 12 gram is equal to 1 picogram. Okay. Next question is which of the following is not correctly matched? A option is knot is used for the measurement of the speed of ship. B है nautical mile is the unit of distance used in navigation. C option is angstrom is the unit of the wavelength of light, and last option is light year is the unit of measuring the time. So right answer is option D, that is light year is the unit of measuring time. So this is incorrect. Okay. Next question is what is the unit of atmospheric pressure? A option is bar, B is knot, C option is joule, D option is ohm. So right answer is option A, that is bar. Next question is 1 nanometers is equal to A option is 10 raised to power minus 6 centimeter, B is 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter, C option is 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter, and D option is 10 raised to power minus 9 centimeter. So right answer is option B, that is 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter. Okay. Question is what is measured in Cusack? A option is purity of water, B is depth of water, C option is flow of water, and D option is quantity of water. So Cusack is the unit to measure the flow of water. That is option C is the right answer. Guys, here I mentioned some of the quantity and their units, so you can pause the video and read out this all. Okay. Let me move further. For the next question is pyrometer is used to measure. A option is atmospheric pressure, B is humidity, C option is high temperature, D option is density. So right answer is option C, that is high temperature. Next question is which is measured by manometer. A option is atmospheric pressure, B is pressure of gases, C option is density of liquids, and D option is surface tension of oil. So manometer is used to measure the pressure of gases. Okay, that is option D is the right answer. Next question is which of the following thermometer is called pyrometer? A option is thermoelectric thermometer, B is radiation thermometer, C option is gas thermometer, and D option is liquid thermometer. So right answer is option B, that is radiation thermometer. Next question is which of the following instruments is used to find the location of objects submerged in oceans? A is audiometer, B option is galvanometer, C option is sextant, and D option is sonar. So right answer is option D, that is sonar. Sonar instrument is used to find the location of objects which is submerged in ocean. Next question is the instrument used to measure the intensity of light is called. A option is anemometer, B is colorimeter, C option is lux meter, and D option is altimeter. So right answer is option C, that is lux meter is used to measure the intensity of light. Next question is pyroheliometer is used to measure. A option is sunspot, B is solar radiation, C option is air temperature, and D option is plant temperature. So right answer is option B, that is solar radiation. So next question is the relative density of milk can be found by using. A option is hydrometer, B is barometer, C option is lactometer, and D option is thermometer. So right answer is option C, that is lactometer is used to find the density of milk. Next question is intensity of earthquake is measured in. A option is Richter scale, B is decibel scale, C option is pH scale, and D option is Celsius scale. So right answer is option A, that is Richter scale. Next question is radar is used in. A option is detecting object by light waves, B is detecting object by reflecting sound waves, C option is locating objects by radio waves, and last option is chasing rain clouds. So right answer is option C, that is locating objects by radio waves. Next question is which of the following can be used to measure temperature above 1500 degrees Celsius? A option is radiation thermometer, B is thermocouple thermometer, C option is platinum thermometer, and D option is pyrometer. So right answer is option D, that is pyrometer. We had discussed earlier that to measure the very high temperature, the instrument used is called pyrometer. Okay. Next question is in sonar we use which type of waves? A option is radio waves, B is audible sound waves, C is ultrasonic wave, and D is infrasonic waves. So right answer is option C, that is ultrasonic waves. Next question is relative humidity of the atmosphere is measured in. A option is hydrometer, B is hygrometer, C is lactometer, and D option is potentiometer. So right answer is option B, that is hygrometer. Next question is the instrument for measuring the intensity of sound is called. A option is chronometer, B is anemometer, C option is audiophone, and D option is audiometer. So right answer is option D, that is audiometer is used to measure the intensity of sound. Okay. Next question is intensity of earthquake is measured with. A option is barometer, B is hydrometer, C option is polygraph, and D option is seismograph. So right answer is option D, that is seismograph. Next question is which of the following is measured with anemometer? A is speed of water flow, B is depth of water, C option is wind velocity, and D option is intensity of light. So right answer is option C, that is wind velocity is measured with the instrument called anemometer. Okay. Next question is the instrument for measuring blood pressure is. A option is tachymeter, B is sphygmomanometer, C option is actimeter, and D option is barometer. So right answer is option B, that is sphygmomanometer. Instrument is used to measure the blood pressure. Next question is which of the following is not correctly matched? A option is odometer, the device to measure the distance traveled by wheels of a vehicle. B option is odometer, the device to measure the frequency of electromagnetic waves. C option is audiometer, the device to measure the sound intensity. And last option is ammeter, the device to measure the electric power. So you have to find the incorrect one. So right answer is option D, that is ammeter, the device to measure the electric power, because ammeter is used to measure the electric current. Okay. Next question is which of the following quantity is measured in Richter scale? A option is flow of glacier, B is increase in population, C option is intensity of earthquake, and D option is temperature of the earth inside. So right answer is option C, that is intensity of earthquake. Next question is fathometer is used for measuring. A option is earthquake, B is rain, C option is depth of sea, and D option is sound intensity. So right answer is option C, that is depth of sea is measured by the instrument called fathometer. Next question is what is the name of the lie detecting instrument? A option is polygraph, B is pyrometer, C option is gyroscope, and D option is seismograph. So right answer is option A, that is polygraph. Here I added some of the instruments which is used to measure the particular thing. So you can pause the video and read out this all. Okay. So that's it guys. I hope that you love the content. So please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then bye bye and take care.